Hi guys, Raj here from Trading College, and I just want to talk a little bit about a couple of day trades that I've been doing in the live trading room, and just to get a bit of an explanation about how some of them work and how some of them don't work, and just to give you a brief synopsis of what we do there. So here's today's example. So I'm just going to point out where the market open candle is. So this is the US markets, the Dow Jones. So that there is the candle where the market opened, and you had to be a little bit patient because although we opened and we were red PTS under the zero line, we were already red going down anyway, so I didn't take that trade. But the next trade that I did look at was this candle right here. Oh, sorry, wrong one. I'm going to pick up an arrow rather than an eclipse. So that candle right there. So that the close of that candle gave me a really nice long signal with a stop loss there and a target of 2 to 1. Okay, so let's map this out and see where exactly it got to. So that's around a 60-point stop. So I'm looking for 120 points to the upside, which it achieved just here on this candle. So that's 55 minutes. So I was holding that trade in just under an hour. Okay, so it entered obviously at the red PTS. The green PTS, which is here. So the green pro trading system signal here. Stop loss at the swing low and a target of 2 to 1, which is up here. So this is kind of like the average day trade that we'd be looking in when we're doing at the live trading room or something like that, whether it be a PTS trade. We've got a few other strategies that we might look at as well, but this is a very common strategy that we might check out. And that one was today. So let's go over and have a look at yesterday's, just so we can gain some consistency and look at what we do. So remember, that's the 230 open. So let's go to yesterday's 230 candle open, and you can see it was a very volatile day yesterday looking at that. So I think I've got it already marked up from yesterday, which was here. Now yesterday was very volatile, and I definitely think I would have had a losing trade in here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark with the horizontal line again just where the open is, so just there on this line here. So I actually would have definitely taken this one here, that candle, and unfortunately that would have been a losing trade. Okay, but that doesn't deter me, so I remain kind of fluid on my bias, and eventually we turned around and we got another signal under the zero line of the storyteller here, so a momentum trigger signal with a PTS short in and around here. Again, the storyteller indicator would have given me the change of bias from it going from positive to negative, and then I would have had a lovely trade there again with a stop loss there. So that's 98 points. So I'd be looking for roughly 200 points, something like that to the downside. So maybe this one may have just missed out in terms of that full target, depending on where the pro trading system stop would have been. But nevertheless, a very good solid trade anyway to the downside. And then the market flipped once again, and it moved up over here. And again, there was some good market action, and then towards the close it actually completely dumped. So a very volatile day yesterday after the CPI reading, which would have given you that big candle there. Okay, so then the day before, if I remember correctly, it was a much smoother session, and I've got it all marked out already, which is fairly handy. So again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the 230 candle marked up here. And here we go. This one's much easier, a much smoother day. So over here was the first green PTS after being above the zero line on the storyteller. So we're positive on the storyteller in an uptrend. And you can see we get a green candle here. This is a real nice, easy trade. It would have easily met 2 to 1, I would assume. So from there, back down there. So that's 65 points. We'd be looking for roughly, about 120 to the upside, which it hits quite nicely there. And then you get another pro trading system signal here, which is only a 44-point stop loss. So you're really looking at 90 points to the upside, which this one hits here in around an hour and 20 minutes or so. So two really good trades the day before. So this is the kind of stuff that we do in the live trading room. So you can see there was one strong losing trade in and around here. The rest of them ended up being winners. So having 4 or 5 winners and one losing trade is not a problem. And you can see we're currently got a color change going on at the moment. So today's the 13th of April, so you can kind of maybe see how this works live. But yeah, it just really, when we get the positive color changes and we're above the zero line on the storyteller, I just really try and look for those trades. As long as the 1 hour time frame, the higher time frame, is green and pointing up as well, like this one is as well. So that's another thing that I do look at, but I didn't want to make this video too complicated. I just wanted to focus on one time frame, which is the 5-minute time frame, and this works just as well as you can see from this video. It's nice and easy, nice and simple. It's just our color color change system, and it's just really, really easy to gain some profits at the market opens. So we do this with the European Trading Open and the US Trading Open. And these trades are coming from the Day Trading Academy. So that's currently going to start next week. Like I said, it's the 13th of April today. So we're going to be starting that very shortly. So sign up to that, and I'll try and get a link in this video as well somewhere, maybe in the comment section. So if you guys are interested in joining the live webinar, which is free for the Day Trading Academy, please sign up to that so you can learn a little bit more about what we do and how this works. So I'll speak to you soon, and good luck.